Hey everyone, welcome back to some more Daily Nonograms. Um, it is April 5. It is 7:30 p.m. and let's make this quick because I have a couple of important exams tomorrow. So, I hope I can turn this out as fast as I can. So, while I have the time, enjoy the show. Alright, so let's go. Uh, looks like we do have. Looks like we are able to get a little bit of a start here. This is a 9. Yeah. Hey, you know what? This might be very early to say, but look at this. Look at this start, right? You know what? Not bad. Not looking bad at all. Because look at this. 1, 3, 15. And then 3 minus 5. 6, 3, 5, 5, 6, 9, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now, the thing is, it's one thing to go fast, but it's another thing to be correct. So, even if I'm gonna try to be fast today, even if I'm gonna try to be fast today, let's hope I don't make a mistake because, it's gonna be painful. Alright, 4, 10. This is 5. 2, nothing, 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 nothing. 4, 9, nothing. 4. Wow, this is a great start though. Would be a shame if I waste. Would be a shame if I wasted the attempt. 5, 5. That's 4, 11. Looks like this should be it looks like this should be 7, and then this is 1, 4. Looks great. 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good, very good. Can we extend this? 9 minus 5. No, that's fine. What about down here? Is there anything? 3, 11, 3, 10. Okay, 1, 3, 8. 8, yep. Minus 4. 1, 2, 2, 3. 3. Okay, sick. Very nice. Nothing here. 1, 3, 2, 2, 2. Done. Nothing. Oh, sorry. This is 2. 11, 6, 1, minus 1. 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. This should be part of 9. Nothing here. 6, 6, 6, 4, 4, 1, 1. 3. Nothing. 3, 6, 2. 4, 11. That is 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Complete almost. 1, 9 minus 3. Still can't extend that really. Yeah. There's a 5. 3. 3. This is 6. So this is 7. This is 5. Should be everything there. That's 3. That's 1. That's 1. 5, 3, 2, 4, nothing, 5, 1. This is a 10, a 6 and that. 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, nothing here. This is a 2, 2 times 1, 5, sorry, what was I? 5, like this. That's a 3, 3, 5, nothing here. 2, 3, 5. This is nothing. It's a 3, nothing here. It's 9, 6, 6, 6. 3, 6. 5, 3, 3, 13, 13, nothing. Nothing here. 6, it's a 1, it's a 1, 5, nothing. 3, this is done, nothing here. There's a 3, that's a 3, 2, 3, 4, that's 3, this is 2, 3, 4, good, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, yep. This is 6, like that. This is also 6, like this, and 6 again, like this, good. 11, that's 2, very nice. So 2, 3, 4, and then this is one of the 3s, this is a 4, 6, extend this 8, minus 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, okay, good. Should be everything there. That's a 3, nothing here. This, that's a 10. 10, and then 1, 4, minus 1. 4, nothing. Extend this 11, nothing here. This is a 4. It's done, nothing here. There. 5, 1, 4, 4. Very good. 3, 12, 11, 2, 4, 4, 10. Yep. So 3, 3, 2, 6, minus 1. This is a 4. This is complete. Which means we can extend these 6s. 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 6, very nice. 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1. So 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1. Good. Done, done, done. Nothing over here. This 11 is complete. Yep. Good. Nothing there. 1, 2, 3, 1. That's good. That's good. That's 2. That's 8. 2, 3, 3, 1. So 3. This is complete. This is a 2. So there's a 3 up here, and there's nothing here. That's a 4. 5, 3, 4, 2. 6, nothing here. 5, 4, 3, 3, 3. 3, it's 1, 1. 6, 1, 2, nothing here, and then 2, 4, good, 4, complete, 2, this is done, this is a 5, this is a 2, very nice, that's 2, this completes that, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, yeah, great, nothing here, this is a 1, there's a 3, nothing here, it's 1, 5, 4, 6, just being really careful in this end game, 5, 6, 5, yep, is this done? No, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, good, completes this, 1, 4, minus 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 4, holy, what a fast run, 11:24, that shatters my previous record, holy, alright, well, I saw, I conquered, I am gonna go back to studying, bye guys, hope you enjoyed this short video.